Hello to everyone. In this lesson, we will continue with the comparison of the Microflows and the Nanoflows in a different way. And I will show a little difference, but it is important, actually important difference that I'm going to talk about. So as you know, we have a Nanoflow in here, which is a Microflow, and it is here, and it is inside the register form too. If you check here, we have the same. What if we use a nanoflow as a data source instead of a microflow? So copy this one and create a new nanoflow, and let me say data source ds anonymous and nanoflow, for example. And let me delete the existing one and paste to here and control save and go to our page and change the sources to nanoflows. Okay, ds anonymous nanoflow, select it and okay, and go to register. Let me change to nanoflow and ds anonymous nanoflow and run the project again. But of course we need to add user role to be able to execute this nanoflow too. So run the project and go there. Let me open this little form here and click F12 or click inspect, right click to here and inspect. Okay, and go to network here. Before I explain the things, I want to refresh the page. Probably I forgot to run the project, and I run it again and come to browser, refresh it, and we have slow 3G, not needed right now. Okay, let me open the developer console again. We are clear. Refresh the page. So here. So previous lesson, I said that the nanoflows are running on the client side, but except some cases that I'm going to discuss. If you create an object inside of nanoflow, or commit an object, or change an object, or rollback object inside the nanoflows, it will communicate with the Mendix runtime. Okay, so this is the JSON object which coming from our Mendix runtime. Okay, so we have enumerations, for example, enum gender and etc., which stays in register page actually. And where is it? We should have another one. Yeah, here we have changes, commits, and objects here that we are using to create our forms, right? The birth date, value null, male null, gender null, and etc. So it is really good to know if you are creating object, committing object, retrieving object, I forgot to tell that, and if you roll them back the object inside the nanoflow, so it will communicate with the Mendix runtime. So we are using nanoflows to manipulate the UI generally, to write some JavaScript and etc. This is a big difference. So that's all for that lesson. See you in next lesson.